Hi, this is Swaminaidu Chalapareddy. In the last video, discussed how to use the replication flow, how to import remote tables into Datasphere. We'll discuss behavior of replication flow is local table, import uh, remote tables, it is the remote tables. Okay, virtual tables, remote tables. Now we'll discuss uh, tables part, right? What is the fact table, dimension table, text table. After that, it is the hierarchy. Hierarchy is the dictionary. After that, relational data set means by default uh, import or replicate by default relational data sets automatically. After that, how to convert it to the fact dimension test. We'll discuss through graphical view. Go to Datasphere. I have imported in this space. Second space, this space it is you actually need to import here. This space, first space. Actually, I have this one, right? We can possibly to import here also. Okay. Now I will create harmonization layer. I will create these remote views. Okay. By default, replication flow it is the local table. Import remote table it is the imported. What is the imported? That is the remote table. That is the reason here it is the given TR remote tables, relational data tables. Okay. After that harmonization, how to HL it is the naming conversion identification purpose harmonization layer. I will create here it is the those objects. Actually here it is the objects are here, right? Need to share from here to select this share. Here it is select that space automatically will go. Once it is go, based on that we will create second layer. Okay. Here it is the only single space, right? It is trial version. Actually it is the 4 phases are available every module. Suppose this HD is the four spaces. FICO 4 spaces like that. Who have the access? SD is working. The one space have the access at multiple users. Okay. These 4 spaces SD who are the working, your developers are working in the SD. These 4 spaces is the required. Okay. Go to harmonization layer. Here it is go to create. All those steps we will discuss. These are business builder, data builder objects all are available. Okay, go to and graphical view. Okay, click here. Here it is our object says here, right? First I will create a fact view. Data extraction sales document. Okay, this one. Okay, this is also relational data set. Here it is. I am not changing anything, but here what is the here it is what it said. It is the layer axis. Second layer it is the any filters, any transformations, any calculations need to use name identification purpose too. Okay, that is the reason I will copy this. I will give the name to HL harmonization layer identification purpose. Okay, this is the relational data set. Okay, after that here it is the I will use projections. 161 fields are here, right? I not required. In case required fields I will give here. Here see, once it is the projection is added, here it is the select all, exclude selected columns. Now all columns it is the, see 0 columns here. I will add here sales document restore, means it is one field added. Sales document item restore, one field, 2 fields added. Like that we will add one by one. Like this, what is the creation date? Sales organization, restore, sales office not required. Sales office excluding. Material, restore, sold to party customer, restore, payer is not required. Cumulative order quantity, it is measure, restore, sales unit, restore. I will take one more field, it is the net amount. Net price I will take here. I am using only 9 fields only. In case here it is the use the calculated columns. In case filters, aggregations, like that. Okay. Here it is the, I will use, I am not using any filter now. Calculated column I am using. By default, see, record the creation date, it is the string 8. But this is not string date, right? We require to change the date. Here I am using function toDate. Validate. See, automatically this one it is the changed date. Okay, filters also, in case it is the filters required, you can use the filter also. Okay, suppose it is the filter. Okay, I will use the filter also here. Filter. Okay, here it is not taken, right? Okay, I am not using any filter. Okay, 9 fields I have taken. Okay, almost is the second layer also relational data set. Okay, save it and deploy it. Save and deploy. One more thing also we'll discuss here. Join I will use. Here it is used join, dimension association and text association. Join, right? Here it is what is the objects are available here. I will give the join customer master data. It drag and drop here. Join union replace is there, right? Join it is giving the left output join. I will take here only customer. I am giving the projections also. All fields are not required. One or three fields are not required. Same like that. Joins means what is the fields? All fields are required, or only required fields are required. It is will take. What is the different joins and associations? We'll discuss. Okay. Yes. Select. Exclude selected columns. I will give here. Okay. Filter also. Filter is what is the data. Okay. Filter also explain here. Restore. Sales organization. Not record already there. Customer master sales. Okay. Not taking with this one. This will be delete that. I will give the customer master data. Click here. Okay, I will check it here. Customer master sales data useful. General data customer. General data customer. Drag and drop. Join. Customer general data customer. It is lot of fields are there. I will use this one. Here it is the client. What is the client data will come? Filter. I will select it there. Client. No client. Client not there. Okay, not there. Hide the editor column. Okay, this one it is the join is. Close this. Close this. Join is left out to join. Customer it is the. I am excluding all the columns. Client select all the columns. Exclude. Client I will give restore. Customer number restore. Country key restore. City restore. Postal code is not required. Fax is not required. Country and region I will take. Country key restore. Region. Region is not here. Okay, well, I will take only those fields of country. Country I am taking from the client, customer number, written. Mapping field is the join field. Here it is the customer. Here it is the sold to party here, right? Sold to party mapping to customer number. Okay. Instead of the city and a country, we are taking. Okay. Here it is filter. It is discussed, right? Filter discussed. Here check the data. Here it is what is the okay for client it is filter it is the I will give 400. Okay, filter I am giving the here it is I am using filter. Go to detail. filter it is the client column is equal to 400. Only 400 data will take. Validate. Filter also it is given. Okay, join condition also given. Here it is the client, it is 400 given. Again, not I don't require it is the client excluded. Okay, excluded. Now here also country, this one it is coming from excluded. Okay. Function also given, right? This way. This is the way how to join 2 tables, 3 tables, 4 tables, whatever may be. Okay. Deployed. Based on this is the second layer created. Now I will complete it is the next it is the third layer. Third layer means it is the fact view. In the fact view, we will maintain the associations. Test association, diamond association, label based hierarchy will maintain. Changes deploying. Deployed. You check the status also. Status deployed. Okay. Here also it is deployed. Now go to this one, copy this one. Copy this one. Go to again repository. Now creating the go to the now it is the propagation layer. Right? Click on propagation layer. Create it is the graphical view. Find out our object. Same here also possible. Second layer possible, but layer architecture, right? Layering. All the objects it is one space it is created. It is the performance wise it is the reduced. Copied, already copied. Copied. Okay. I am giving here 3 VF view fact. Giving this selecting the fact. Here also it is the same projections, filters, formulas like that. In case it is formula is required, here it is give the formula, calculated column, sales, this one it is sales, it is the I am giving the decimal it is by default it is 38.3, 38.2 I am giving. Here it is I am taking 2 columns are here, right? Cumulative order quantity into price, net price amount. Again it is validated. Expression is valid. Decimal plot, this one, okay, decimal plot automatically change. Okay, leave it, decimal plot. Okay. Now, this one it is the fact view, right? It is in the fact view, at least it is the one measure it is the column is required. See, then it is the fact view, measures and attributes. I moving the measures into change to measure, automatically go into the measures area. Price also is created, right? Price also. Here it is the discuss input parameters, data persistency associations. We'll discuss one by one. Data access controls, business purpose dependent object where it is used. Okay, we'll discuss that. Now I have created, that's it, moved, right? 3 objects are moved here. Okay, save. This is the third layer. Yeah, okay. Observe here. Here, create analytical model. Option is kept. In case change this to the relational data set, that option is not available. Any fact, only fact, this one it is available. See, dimension not available. Text not available. Hierarchy not available. But only fact, create analytical model option will come. Okay, these are the gone, right? Again at the I moving. We can possible to create analytical model only based on one fact view only. Okay, this is the fact, right? It is semantic type. What is the semantic user type? Fact we can possible to create. Otherwise, it is not possible to create analytical model. Here it is the expose for consumption and run the analytical model. This is the expose for, see, this one it is the generate raw data request. Okay, later discuss, but once it is the enabled, this one it is the, this one switch on, right? This one it is the available. Otherwise it will. This one also run the analytical model also. In the directly we can possible to create data sets in analytical model. Switch on this. Okay, this is the way create the fact based view. Save. I will explain on next video input parameters, variables, those stuffs. Yeah. Okay, this one it is save and activate. Now I will create it in the analytical model based on this. After that, it is the associations we are possible to maintain here. Text association, dimension association, and level based hierarchy. Here it is the here customer master sales data dimension table. MAKTT the text association. This is the dimension association. Also level based hierarchy I will maintain. You see in the next video. Only fact is created, right? I will create immediately Here, click here, create analytical model. Directly it is possible to create, but I am creating the fourth layer. It is the analytical model. I am going to fourth layer. Go to again into repository. Go to fourth layer, reporting layer. Create analytical model. We have created the third layer, right? Click here, drag and drop. This is the analytical model, final model. See here, it is any associations are given. It will come later. We will discuss next video. Okay. Now 4 AM analytical model, sales order, sales data. I will not yet deployed. See, already we are given, right? It measures automatically come. Here also some of the options are available, variables and data exponential filters. It is later we will discuss on. Here it is the calculated columns. Here also calculated columns, restricted calculated measures, restricted measures, count distance measures, converser measures, non-cumulative measures. We will discuss later. Okay. Simply save. And deploy it. Here also, based on this also, we can possible to create another analytical model. In next video, we will discuss it, test association, dimension association, and level-based hierarchy, sales order distribution channel, level-based hierarchy also we will discuss. Previously discussed level-based hierarchy based on the plot file. Check that my video also. Basic things are there. There is 14 videos are there. Check it. What is the 2.0, 2.1, 2.2? Those are the latest videos. It is higher level. Those are the basics 14 videos. Check those also. Deploying. Check the status. Not yet deployed. Deployed. Here is it. Actually, once it is completed, this analytical model available in SAC. We'll see once it is all these options are completed. Next video completed, I will show how to connect Datasphere to SAC. After that, how to useful it is the associations, test associations. What is the purpose? We'll see. Like here it is the preview data. Here it is this city is taken from customer table. Here in material, sales document, sales organization. City is taken from another table. Country key taken to another table. See, data is populated. This is the way analytical model create. Okay, I am stopping here. In the next video, we'll discuss test association, dimension association, level based hierarchy. We'll discuss in that video. Okay, thank you.